Now, Kotoko yesterday officially parted ways with some players, over 10 players have been released by the club, and some of the names will surprise you. These are the 11 players that Asante Kotoko have let go after their contract ended, and some are also being booted out of the club. Now, Kalu Atara, who joined Kotoko from Brekum Chelsea last season, has been released together with Nicolas Osebon. So Isaac Opon, popularly known as Sunyani Neymar, who has been at the club for the last 4 years, has also been released. Augustine Japan, Nicolas Mensah, John Tedeku has also been released. Sharif Mohammed Jr. has also been released. And Cameroonian import George Mfege, who played a pivotal role in Kotoko winning the league in 2021, has also been released. Serge Eric Zeze, the Ivorian, has been let go. And the most surprising name on the list is Danlad Ibrahim, who has been at Kotoko all his life. He's the captain of the side. He's played for almost all the national teams that we have in this country, from the junior level to the Black Stars level. Now he has been released by Asante Kotoko, and Moise Partey has also been released by the club. So 11 players have been let go, and these players, Kotoko have wished them well in their future endeavors. So that is the latest coming through. Asante Kotoko have released the likes of Danlad together with 10 others.